Welcome to another culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the exquisite world of flavors with a tantalizing dish, whole duck patotin. Stay tuned as we embark on the gastronomic journey that will leave your taste buds for more. First, let's rub a salt on the all-body part of our whole duck. All salt must be wiped off, including inside of our whole duck, because this is the one method to get rid of the smell of our duck. And fold its wing like this so that we don't have hard time when we put in the pot. Now, let's put our whole duck in the pot, and we will put a water just right enough to submerge our whole duck a little. Let's also add ginger and boil for 5 minutes. This is the effective way to get rid of the smell of the duck that we are cooking. After boiling for a few minutes, and let's just remove it from the pot and let it cool for a few minutes. Now, let's put oil in our pan, and let's just heat the oil. Add first the onion and sauteed. Next, our sliced ginger. Let's just mix and wait for the onion and ginger to be sauteed. Now, let's put lemongrass inside the belly and directly put the duck into the pan. Let's fry it for a few minutes and turn it over to other side so that the other part will fry. Let's just add the minced garlic and mix it. After that, add 2 bottles of Sprite lime. This is one of the ingredients I use to tenderize our whole duck quickly. Let's put our pineapple juice. It also helps soften our meat and adds flavor to our patotin dish that we cook. Add water, and we'll just boil it for around 1 hour. When it boils, let's add our chicken cubes. Add our soy sauce. Add brown sugar. Let's turn our duck first so that it is cooked evenly. Let's just continue boiling until it's softened. When it boils, let's put whole pepper and bay leaves. Now let's just poke it with a fork so we can check if it softens. Let's just a little bit of soy sauce in addition to the taste. Let's also add lemon for little sourness. When it softens our whole duck, let's add banana ketchup. It is also one of the ingredients that add color and flavor to our cooked patotin. Let's add salt and black pepper powder to make the dish. We are cooking tasty. Now, let's add our thickener, cornstarch dissolved in water. Let's slowly pour the cornstarch with water until we get right consistency. These is the final ingredients we added. Put the pineapple tidbits. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand reveal. Witness the beauty of our whole duck patotin, a masterpiece that's tastes in perfect harmony. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious recipe. Happy cooking!